Meaning of gregariously.
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 Gregariously. The word gregariously is not found in any reputable dictionaries. It's possible that it's a misspelling of gregariously, which means to behave in a social, group-oriented manner. This behavior is typically seen in animals that live in groups or herds, such as bison, wolves, and birds. In humans, this behavior can manifest in a variety of ways, such as participating in team sports, joining social clubs, or attending large gatherings. Overall, gregarious behavior is an important part of socialization and helps to promote a sense of community and belonging.